Cincinnati's certified most accurate forecast.
All right, it is a chilly night for May outside. Temperatures have fallen back into the low 50s across most of the metro right now. Temperatures range from 53 in Blue Ash and Madeira, Hyde Park, 51 in Wyoming. It's down to 50 already in College Hill. Same story over there in southeast Indiana around Lawrenceburg. So yeah, when you compare this to 24 hours ago, it is noticeably cooler. Matter of fact, temperatures have fallen by almost some 20 degrees across much of the Ohio Valley tonight. And this is a trend, folks. I know many of you were hoping, especially after this weekend, with temperatures in the mid 80s and the high levels of humidity, that summer-like weather might be here or around the corner. We're going to have a little bit of a temperature setback as we start the next week around here. All right, outside tonight, still got a decent breeze on Old Glory. We've got a chilly night coming up with brisk winds continuing across the area. Now, there may be a few sprinkles overnight tonight, pretty much inconsequential. Nothing like the rains that we had over the weekend. However, we're not done with the wet weather this week. A matter of fact, we're in tap for another decent soaker come starting up late Wednesday into Thursday. It's going to be another heavy rain event, it looks like, for much of the Ohio Valley, followed by some pretty chilly weather for May. And I'll even throw this out here. It's not completely out of the question, especially north of the Ohio River. By late in the weekend, maybe some patchy frost in a few places. So let's talk about what's happening tonight, though. You can see plenty of clouds and even some showers beginning to gather across parts of Indiana. These aren't going to amount to much. Again, worst case scenario, it's enough to briefly wet the pavement out there. That's what I'm thinking. Let me show you on radar, closer inspection, and you'll see here, not really seeing much on the radar. I do think there may be a few sprinkles or showers up across northern parts of Butler and Warren counties up there around Middletown and Trenton. So overnight tonight, if you happen to see or find a few raindrops around, don't be completely surprised. Now, the other big story, those brisk winds. Earlier today, winds were gusting in excess of 40 miles an hour. They have dropped back tonight as we expected them to, and now most of our wind gusts here in southwest Ohio generally under 30 miles an hour, and that's where they'll stay through the night. However, those strong winds will be back tomorrow, and we very well could see wind gusts close to 40 once again. So here at the airport late tonight, 52 degrees. We've got a sustained wind out of the southwest at 12. Temperatures upper 40s, quite chilly across parts of southeast Indiana to around mid 50s as you head back to our south and east, Maysville over towards Brooksville into the low 50s there. By morning, everyone will have fallen back into the mid 40s for lows. Temperatures will range from 44 in Connersville to about 46 Georgetown Peebles, 47 over around Maysville, about 45 for an average here in the metro. And then highs tomorrow, not bad, despite the fact we'll have a mixture of sun and clouds in the mid 60s, but that's a little cool now for early May. Let me show you Futurecast. We'll keep a few sprinkles or showers around through the night. These will be gone by tomorrow morning. Expect partly cloudy skies during the day tomorrow, but again, very windy. Skies will try to clear out tomorrow night, and we'll drop back into the 40s for lows. We'll start Wednesday's drive with lots of sunshine, but can you see things beginning to change already? Cloud cover builds in, and it looks like by Wednesday afternoon and evening, we'll have showers across the area, and starting up late Wednesday night, I expect that rain to become heavier, especially into the day on Thursday. So for tonight, a spotty shower or a sprinkle, nothing heavy out there or to worry about. Breezy and cool, 45. Tomorrow, partly cloudy and windy once again. Look for a high in the mid 60s. Here's your hour by hour forecast. We're going to drop down into the 40s here shortly, down to about 45 by morning, and then we'll climb our way through the 50s up to near 60 by lunchtime, and then we'll see temperatures in the 60s tomorrow afternoon before we set up for another cool night. Here's your 7-day forecast. So here we have it. Rain arrives on Wednesday. Good bet for a soaker on Thursday. Thursday looks like a washout. Friday is going to be one of those damp, kind of chilly, wet, kind of showery spring days. Notice our highs on Friday only in the 50s. And look at the weekend. The good news is that on Saturday, I know we have a lot of the beginning Flying Pig events, some of the smaller marathons and activities take place. Saturday doesn't look like a washout, but there could be some showers around, and it certainly will be chilly this weekend. Look at those overnight lows Saturday night, down to 38. So that means for runners, they actually enjoy a little bit of a cooler start, but it will be a little chilly for you guys, Mike and Cherie, out there interviewing folks.
Sitting on our behinds.
Broadcasters, not so much.
No, but you know what? These runners have been training for months and months. A little bit of rain.